On the outside, looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the high waves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like gravity and you are pulling me. 'Cause you know what I want, babe. You know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. I saw a fire from the sea. I didn't know what it was telling me. Like Robert Zimmerman singing a song. Just gotta keep on keeping on. You know what I want.
This is Banayad Festival Outdoor Expo with King of Riot. Join us this November 28th to 30. That's Friday until Sunday. For 3 days of fun with a sense of community alongside our fellow off-roaders. See you at the festival. Very good.
You know it all before I